Hey, welcome back to Cracked Country Cooking. Today we're making ribs. Fall off the bone ribs. It's Samantha's birthday, that's what she wanted, so that's what we're gonna make. Rack of St. Louis ribs. It's the cheapest way. You break them down yourself. Take this membrane off. Grab yourself a paper towel. Extra meat off, so it's just going to burn. Find the last bone here. We're going to take that off. Now about your fifth bone in, right around here, that'll be the center of the rib. So I like to go right about here. Now don't throw this out. You can use this. Probably gonna make sausage with it. Mix it with some beef. Now anything loose, you're gonna want to take off. We're gonna use yellow mustard as a binder today. We're gonna use Chud rub. Really liking this stuff. Now we'll hit up the other side with our binder. Never forget the edges. Now we'll go throw it out on our pellet smoker. So I got the Green Mountain set at 250 degrees. I got the top rack in there. I got a water pan in there because these heat from the bottom and I've had heat issues. So we'll place that on the top rack. Remember, the way you set these in here is how they're gonna cook. So straighten them out. We'll check on that in about 30 minutes and spray it down with some apple cider vinegar. All right, for barbecue sauce, we're doing a cup of Sweet Baby Ray's. To that, we're gonna add a quarter cup of apple cider vinegar and a half a cup of honey. Got this over medium heat to combine. Once that's all mixed in, I'm gonna put in 2 tablespoons of Dijon mustard. Let this heat up, come to a slight simmer, and take it off the heat. Well, the ribs are about ready to come out. Sprinkle some of this brown sugar, half a stick of Kerrygold, some of our barbecue sauce. Now put our ribs on top of that, which they look nice. At this point, I'll take any of these pieces off. Now on the top, more brown sugar, another half stick of butter, Kerrygold, of course, and some more of our barbecue sauce. Now we'll wrap these tightly. Like this. Now remember, they're upside down, so I want to cook these meat side down. Make them nice and tender. So this is meat side up. This is down. We'll take this. Then we'll place it right on the grill, meat side down like that. So we'll set these in here for a couple more hours. We'll go by feel, but I'm guessing another 2.5 hours. It's time to take a look at these ribs. I got my gloves over my cotton liners because it's gonna be hot. Now these are gonna be very, very tender and delicate. So we'll have to be careful. We're gonna throw them up on the top rack here. All right, we'll let these go for about 15 more minutes. So we'll let them sit out for another 30 minutes, brought them in, and here they are.
You don't even need to cut it, you can just pull it right off.
See, look.
It's funny.
No cutting needed. Now we get to try one. Ready, Sam?
Mm-hmm.
Which one do you want? The small one?
Yeah.
It's hot.
Ah, yeah.
Here. Ready?
Mm.
Mm. So good.
Mm. Hot though.
Yeah, not spicy, just temperature.
That's good though.
It's really good. It's cooked a little bit more than what I normally do. So normally I don't want pull off the bone ribs. I like a little bite through, but these are so tender. You don't even need teeth. You can just gum these. So good. Well, that's our video. We made fall off the bone ribs. Very, very good. They're very tender. Samantha's birthday. Mm-hmm. Happy birthday, Sam. How old?
11 now.
Yep.
Yeah, this is my birthday dinner.
This is your birthday dinner. Yep. All right. Well, if you like this video, please hit the like and subscribe button. You can follow us on TikTok, Instagram, Facebook, of course, YouTube. Watch our past videos. We have new videos coming out every week. See ya. It's dinner time. Ready? Mm-hmm.